Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over off of North Lagoon on the east end of Panama City Beach. Absolutely gorgeous home overlooking the lagoon. We've got the beautiful pool behind us. Heather, what are some of your favorite things about this home?
So this house is just under 3,400 square feet. You've got glass surround. Speaking of glass, the windows have been recently all replaced. You've got a new roof, new gutters. The exterior's been repainted. Everything's ready to go on this. And what I love is they've also remodeled the kitchen. It's updated quartz. You've got a great tile backsplash. It's so large and expansive, and guess what it looks at? Right here, the lagoon and the pool. It's exactly what you're looking for if you're on Waterfront.
There's no wasted space.
Absolutely not.
Only one owner custom built this home.
Yep.
He thought of everything.
He absolutely did. It is a neutral palette. There is a mural in the formal dining room space. Everything has uplighting. Every detail has been looked at, including the master has this incredible open space. Everything's open from the bathroom into the bedroom and the balcony, overlooking all of this beautiful waterfront.
And I noticed as you drive up to the driveway, first of all, plenty of room for all of your cars and all your toys.
Absolutely.
With a double garage.
Three car garage.
Oh my goodness,
Yes.
3, I was wrong. But what I liked is there's this extra space for you can kind of lounge out front and, you know.
And it's private. Even though you're on North Lagoon, the house is set back closer to the water and you've got that privacy and you can live that Florida lifestyle that you're looking for.
So if you are looking for a beautiful, luxurious home off of North Lagoon with 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, please give us a call. We absolutely would love to show it to you.
And if you'd like more details, look in the description below. Check out the MLS listing, more photos, more details. You can get all of that right there for you to check out this amazing home.
And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any beautiful properties like this one.
Absolutely.